Howdy do! Ben Coaton here again. Welcome to the unboxing of the Movo VXR40 Condenser shotgun microphone. So let's get to it. We open the box up. Nice bit of packing foam there. We'll be using that for something else later. So in the box we have a little ticket to ask us if we're happy. So far we are. We'll see. And then we have the instructions. So that's very nice. Getting to the main event here. Here we are. Wow. Check that out. We have some settings: off, normal and telly. That feels nice, doesn't it? Ooh, very nice. And in the back bit, this is where one battery goes to power the thing, and that's very nice. It's made from aluminium. Aluminium, yes indeed. So Movo VXR40, very nice. And 3.5mm connection there. And in this side of the box, the front of the box, we have the what is known as a dead cat windshield. There we are, that's very nice. Looks like a mouse actually, a dead mouse. So it's got a nice elasticated end to it, and that should fit on the microphone very nicely. Oh, just drop that. So we have an attachment for a camera that just sits in and tightens up there, very nice. We have an attachment for the cable that fits in there, and we have an attachment for a microphone stand. There we are, very nice. And that was the unboxing of the Movo VXR40 Condenser shotgun microphone. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic videos coming very soon. Every day, hopefully. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.